Hey everybody, this is Maya here with another tutorial. Today I want to share 8 tips for designing social media graphics for your business using Canva. This tutorial is for beginners, so if you have been using Canva for a while or you are a professional designer, this might not be the video for you. But if you're a newer business owner with little design experience, stick around and I'll show you some simple ways to elevate the look of your graphics. So let's get into the video. I'm already logged into Canva and on the home screen. I have Canva Pro, so some things that you see on my screen throughout the video might look different than yours if you have the free version, but you don't need the paid version for this. I figured that the easiest way to walk you through this tutorial is to use a real-life example. So right now, I need to create a Facebook graphic for my client, Quality Transports and Relocation. They sent me an article to share, and I want to pull a statistic from the first sentence to create a graphic with. It says that the average American moves 12 times in their life. Since Quality is a moving company, I think that this is something that will resonate with their audience. Canva conveniently has templates that are already sized correctly for each platform. It's important to create the right size graphics so that your posts will display correctly. Since I'm creating a Facebook post, I'm going to select that option. Canva has templates that you can customize, but I want to start from scratch, so I'll choose the first option for a blank template. Now let's add in the text. I'm just going to click to add a heading text box. I'll worry about the size and font later. Let me copy the quote from the article into Canva. Okay. Before I get into designing the graphic, let me show you QTR's logo and explain their brand a little bit. QTR is a moving company based out of Raleigh, NC. Their main brand color is this electric sky blue, and they use black and white as accent colors. They're a family-owned business, and I try to create graphics for their social media that emphasize their trustworthiness, the need for quality movers, and evoke a homey feeling. With that in mind, I'm going to work on the graphic. I have a specific set of fonts that I use for QTR, so I'm going to choose one of those. Now, I'll just play with the arrangement of the words in the quote until I have something that I'm happy with. I like this layout. The 12 times part of the statistic really stands out, and the words are balanced well. Now I'm going to choose a photo. I want something that feels homey, sticking with the branding I just explained. I like this photo, but I want to see what else I can find since it doesn't really have a lot of empty space to place the words in. Since I don't want to disturb this layout, I'm going to make a copy of the page. Now I think I found a photo that I really like. It has a homey feel and it gives me space to place the text in the graphic as well. I kind of like the way it looks with the text on the left and the picture on the right, so I'm not going to scale the picture to take up the whole background. I'll just rearrange the text some so that it works with this new layout. Even though I really like this picture, it's a little bit on the warmer side color-wise. I usually try to keep a cooler palette for QTR social media. To make it work better, I think I'll add a blue tint to the photo by going to the adjustment panel. I'm happy with that. To add some emphasis to the middle part of the quote, I'm going to change the text color to QTR's electric blue. Let's stop there. Now that I'm done, I'm going to download my finished graphic as a PNG, which is what Canva suggests. PNGs usually display well on social media. Here's one more bonus tip for you. You can easily resize a graphic for a different platform by using the resize tool in Canva. By clicking the resize button and doing a few adjustments, I can quickly optimize the same graphic for Instagram. That's all for this week's tutorial. I hope you see how easy it is to create nice looking graphics for your business's social media. A link to the written tutorial notes is in the video description. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see more Canva tutorials in the future or if you have any other tutorial suggestions. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all next Friday for another tutorial. Bye for now.